All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review, and install of a tempered glass from a company called Nobi. So Nobi here reached out to me via email and said, hey, we've seen some of your videos. We'd love for you to do a video on our tempered glass. So this was sent to me free of charge for my complete unbiased opinion on this actual tempered glass. Now this will fit the 12 or 12 Pro. I will put my affiliate link down below if you do end up wanting to purchase one of these tempered glass for your iPhone. They do make them for the Mini and the Pro Max as well. You would be supporting my channel also if you did follow those, so I thank you in advance for doing that if you do. So let's go ahead and take a peek here at the box. So as far as Nobi goes, you got the branding there. It says Ghost Shield there. Ultimate impact and scratch protection. Now you got a picture of the iPhone there with the tempered glass. And then as far as the verbiage at the front, it's scratch protection, 9H hardness, shatterproof, anti-fingerprints, excellent protection. And I never can pronounce that, but I'm not sure if it's acai, but it's a Japanese acai. I'm not really sure, but it's that glass, Japanese tempered glass. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side, nothing at the bottom. It does once again say 12 or 12 Pro. And then on the back, you do get quite a bit on the back. So it just does an explanation of the full protection, industry leading screen protection, complete screen protection and case friendly design, smudge resistant. So it does say it's transparent and oil resistant, oleophobic coating, prevents fingerprint marks and smudges. So I am excited to see that. Precision touch and high definition clarity, easy bubble free application. And then here at the bottom, it does go over kind of the step-by-steps on how to install the tempered glass. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. So literally haven't even opened this yet. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Okay, so kind of open it here and let's see what we're greeted with here. So got a installation tray there, so that makes things easier. And then here you do have the patch installation and cleaning kit there. So we'll get that open up here in a second. And then of course, then you have the tempered glass here. So let's go ahead and slide this out. And then there's the tempered glass. Now, of course, it does have the sticker on there to remind you to remove it before you install. So that's going to be the sticky side. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. And let's get the iPhone 12 that we'll be using here. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what we get inside of the package here. Let's just kind of open it up. Probably just the kind of the norm of things whenever you do buy a tempered glass. So it looks like we have a microfiber cloth here, just a generic white one. And then we do have the wet wipe to clean the screen. And then you do get some of these dust absorbers that you can take that dust off the screen as well. So let's go ahead and get the phone flipped over, get the wet wipe out, and basically kind of the same old. If you've ever installed a tempered glass, then you know what to do. So I'm gonna kind of do a fast forwarding here and get this screen cleaned. All right, now that that's done, let's go ahead and get the dust stickers here, and let's just go ahead and get whatever remaining little lint or fuzz that's on here from that microfiber towel. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so now let's go ahead and do the installation tray here. So let's see, so when you're looking at it, it does say top and it doesn't say bottom, but obviously no top. So you're just gonna pop that on there. And then let's go ahead and get the tempered glass. So you're gonna peel this back here. And then basically just set it in. And let it do its thing. So you can see there the air bubbles are starting to work its way out. I'm going to go ahead and speed up that process a little bit. All right, so I got the screen protector on, but I'm just using this microfiber towel to kind of just push those air bubbles out of the under the screen protector here. So that way we kind of have a nice, clean, seamless look, because there is a few little air bubbles here and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on doing that real quick. All right, and there we have it, guys. So there is the tempered glass installed on the phone itself. So it's a very flat profile, so it's almost non-existent other than being able to see where the face unlock notch is right there. But this screen protector actually looks really good. And when I slide my fingers across it, compared to the cheaper one that I had on it before, it does feel a lot better as I'm gliding my thumb on that. That might just be my brain telling me that, but at least it does definitely feel different. So let me go ahead and turn the device on real quick. All right, so we got the phone turned on. So let me go ahead and put in my passcode here. And here we are. Works flawlessly. And as you can see here, well, looks like there's a little bit of some bubbles still, but that's okay. But as you can see here, as far as everything goes, there's no hue or anything like that on the corners, which I always look for when I'm messing with a tempered glass, because the last thing you want is like those fluorescent edges there on the tempered glass where it meets with the phone when you're sliding and everything like that with the apps and whatnot. But yeah, guys, there you have it. That is the Nobi Ghost Shield for the iPhone 12. Let me go ahead and put my case on it real quick. So I'm still rocking my Tozo clear case here that I did a review on. Now it does say, and they point out, that this is a case-friendly tempered glass. And as you can see, there is no issues with my tempered glass against my phone edge there. So definitely case-friendly as well. No issues at all with that. But yeah, I mean, for the money, if you're gonna get a good quality screen protector, then this definitely is gonna be it, guys, in my opinion, because this is probably the best screen protector I've ever put on my phone, because I always buy the cheap ones that are like $8.99 for a 4-pack, and I really don't end up getting the better ones. But even with the one that I bought before this, that one scratched very easily. So I had these like baby hairline scratches all over the tempered glass. And now this one I feel like is going to be a lot more durable, a lot better, with the beveled edges there. It just makes it, obviously compatible with the cases and everything like that. So yeah, guys, hit that like button, comment down below, let me know if you've ever heard of Nobi. And if you have, what's been your experience with their tempered glass cases here, or tempered glass screen protectors, excuse me. But yeah, there we have it, guys. Nobi Ghost Shield screen protector. So like, comment, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.